Once in a while, Amsterdam becomes the heart of something unforgettable. Riders from around the world gather to celebrate the art of the custom bicycle. This year, over 200 riders from Europe, the US, and South America came together. No drama, just bikes, freedom, and 4 unforgettable days. At CSI, the bikes are more than just rides. They're rolling works of art, custom-built, handcrafted, and as wild as their creators.
Good to see you again.
Each day brought a new route. Through the streets of Amsterdam, past canals, into the countryside, up to 60 kilometers a day, powered by passion. Behind every bike was a story, a creator, a traveler, a club. And together, we created something that felt more like family than just another event. CSI isn't just about bikes. It's about freedom, creativity, and connection. No pressure, just incredible rides, unforgettable moments, and the best crew you could ask for. Until the next CSI, keep riding, keep building, and keep the spirit alive. CSI 2025 Summer Fest, made in Amsterdam.
BK42, bitches!
In the house!
BK42, bitches!